GM celebrates 16 millionth vehicle built in Flint, honoring customer loyalty. General Motors. Flint Assembly Plant, a cornerstone of American automotive manufacturing since 1947, has reached a remarkable milestone, its 16 millionth vehicle. The landmark production is a Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Crew Cab LTZ. Also notable as the assembly location for the 3.5 millionth Duramax diesel engine. This dual achievement underscores GM's longevity and continued investment in heavy-duty truck production. A legacy of American manufacturing. The Flint plant's history extends far beyond trucks. Before becoming synonymous with Silverado and Sierra HD models, it played a critical role in launching iconic cars like the Bel Air, Monte Carlo, and Impala. Even the first 300 Chevrolet Corvettes were assembled in Flint in 1953 before production shifted to St. Louis. This historical depth demonstrates GM's long-term commitment to the facility and its workforce. Durability and customer trust. To celebrate the milestone, GM invited Andy Sanford, the customer purchasing the 16 millionth Silverado, to witness its final assembly. Sanford's story is particularly compelling. His previous 2016 Silverado HD, equipped with the same Duramax diesel engine, has logged nearly 1 million miles, 1.6 million km on its original injectors and continues to operate reliably. This real-world durability is a powerful marketing asset. While plant managers often deliver standard corporate statements about teamwork and attention to detail, GM's track record at Flint, 16 million vehicles and counting, lends credibility to those claims. The customer's story is more important. Buyers in this segment don't just want a truck, they want one that lasts. The shift to heavy-duty production today, the Flint plant focuses almost exclusively on Silverado HD and GMC Sierra HD trucks, catering to customers who require vehicles for demanding work, towing, and heavy hauling. The plant has adapted to meet market needs, solidifying its position as a key supplier of rugged, reliable vehicles. The continued success of Flint Assembly highlights the enduring demand for American-made trucks and GM's ability to deliver them. The facility remains a critical part of the company's manufacturing network, demonstrating that some legacies are built to last.